More gallop. Come on. More leg. Leg. Gallop. Too wide, Michaela.
That's okay.
Inside in the orange here. Get your body back and close your leg. Keep your body and press. Turn down the hill. Stay close. Stay close. Body. Ooh. More leg. Gallop. Now settle. Left side. Inside. Inside. Look. Body back and turn. Sit down and back. Down and back. Get your butt down. Get your butt down and keep it there. Keep it there. Keep it there. Keep it there. That's it.